Have you ever typed a simple question into Google and ended up lost in a sea of ads, links, and long articles? Now imagine asking the same question and getting a clear, direct answer in plain English. No fluff, no distractions. That's what ChatGPT does. And it's already changing the way millions of people get information. But the big question is, could it actually replace Google? Let's break it down. We've used Google for everything, from homework help to product reviews, for over 20 years. It became our digital dictionary, teacher, and travel guide. But something has shifted. Now, instead of scrolling through 10 different websites, people just open ChatGPT and ask, "What's the best laptop under $1,000?" Or, "Explain quantum physics like I'm 12. And they get a full, thoughtful answer right away. People love how fast and easy it is. No blue links, no clickbait. Just answers. That's why many now ask, why Google when I can just ask ChatGPT? Here's what makes ChatGPT feel different. It's not just a search engine. It's more like a personal tutor, assistant, and writing coach, all rolled into one. You want a 10-page PDF summarized in 2 lines? Done. Need help writing a professional email, crafting a story, or preparing for a job interview? It gives you full custom responses based on your tone, your style, and your needs. And what's even cooler, you can ask follow-up questions. Say, "Can you explain it in simpler words?" Or, "Give me 3 examples." It remembers what you're asking and responds like you're having a real conversation. With Google, you'd be clicking through tabs for 20 minutes to get that much value. But let's not forget, Google is still a powerhouse. If you want the latest news, a specific website, or nearby restaurants, Google wins. It gives you maps, videos, reviews, shopping tools, and millions of options to explore. And it's lightning fast with updates. ChatGPT, on the other hand, doesn't always have real-time data unless it's connected to the internet. Plus, Google shows you sources. You can see where the information comes from. With AI, you're often trusting the answer blindly, unless you know how to double-check. So in some ways, it's not a matter of who's better. It's a matter of what you need right now. So, will ChatGPT replace Google? Probably not completely. But will it change how we search forever? Absolutely. In fact, even Google knows this. That's why they're launching AI tools like Gemini and AI-powered search results. They understand that people want more than links. They want clarity, summaries, and context. The truth is, we're entering a new era of search. One where AI doesn't just find the answer, it becomes the answer. And most likely, we'll use both tools. ChatGPT when we need personalized help or explanations. Google when we need variety, real-time info, or links to trusted sources. The way we search for information is evolving. If you're still only using Google, you might be missing out on faster, smarter ways to learn and work. Try using both. Ask the same question to Google and ChatGPT. You might be surprised by how different and how helpful the answers are. And if this helps you think differently, do one simple thing. Hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to AI Pulse. We break down the future of AI so you can stay one step ahead. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next one.